Hey, this is Hans coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today will be review number 3100, cracking the first 100 of the 3000 set, with one that came in a Zen Pop box. This is a Myojo Chukazanmai Tantanmen. I think it's a spicy Tantanmen. I'm not sure, but yeah. And you're probably like, well, how are you going to cook it? You cut it all up. Never fear, friends. I have a solution. Look at how that's shaped. Oh. And also, we need to know how long it's going to take. And if you look right here, see right there, that 4? That's how much time it takes. And also there will be a spot, usually right there or on the lid, that says how many milliliters of water go into it, which makes things really handy for, I guess, when you're reviewing instant noodles. I don't think they're doing it specifically for me, but I will take it nonetheless. So here's what was in the cup and the noodle block. And we need 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're rocking and rolling. So, what's going on today? Not a whole heck of a lot. The weather around here really didn't about face. It's much colder today than it was yesterday. We woke up, frost everywhere, clear. About 30 degrees in Kenmore, Washington. And so the easiest way to fix that is make sure everything's shut. You know, we don't use the baseboard because it's just ridiculous. And yeah, cooked up some eggs. It seems to warm things up. Baking and cooking eggs are my surefire way of warming up the house. It's what I like to do, at least. It just seems easier that way. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone, right? Yeah. Oh. Don't need you just quite yet, Mr. Spoon. Here's a fork. This one's weird. There's a lot of these little granules in here. I guess that's just the way of Tantanmen. And I kept thinking, do you drain this one? Because that just seems odd, but it also has a liquid that goes in it, so we'll see how it goes. I've got my fingers crossed on this one, but not entirely sold that it's going to be super great, but we shall see. Kind of going into the classical mood today. So, we found out there's a thing called the Northwest Chocolate Festival, and that's going on this weekend. And what amazingly happened, family asked if they could babysit the kids on Saturday. How did that happen? What's the freaking chances of that? So, yeah. So the kids are going to go hang out, and we're going to go down to Seattle, and we're going to go get some chocolate. I think, hopefully there's a lot of free samples, and then we'll just do like a special chocolate break episode with that. Speaking of the chocolate break, there is going to be thechocolatebreak.com coming your way very soon. So all the episodes are going to be shown there. I'm going to try to have it like all the scores that we've given different chocolate from each episode in a list that's easy to understand, kind of like the big list on the ramenrater.com. I don't know. That's going to be a little while till that happens because I just don't have the time currently. I mean, I could. I don't have to do... I'm like over 80 reviews ahead. By tomorrow, I'll be like 90 reviews ahead of myself. So, but it's just like the possibility to really make a huge dent in those hampers over there. It's just like, go, 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 man. Do 13 reviews a week. Get them done. Because in a month, that's like 52. Yeah. Although that won't be happening this month because, of course, Miles gets time off for Thanksgiving, which is cool too. But yeah. 25 seconds to go here at the Ramen Rater headquarters in beautiful Kenmore, Washington. Your source for the finest instant noodle reviews known to mankind. And probably I've had more instant noodles than anyone in the United States of different kinds. And I know there's people who will say like, dude, I've had way more. That's fine. Enjoy your delusion. Here is the liquid. And come on. So I take a little bit of the broth and I stir it in, or I swizzle it, swizzle. Drop it in, and then it all makes it out, especially with liquids like this, because this one is kind of thick. Lugubrious, purple, clairvoyant. Ubiquitous purple. Obsequious purple and clairvoyant. I'm sorry. Pardon me, Mr. Steve Martin, for an incorrect reference. And I will now Mambo Dog Face to the Banana Patch. That tastes like peanuts. Very peanutty flavor. I tell you what, there's nothing that makes instant noodles look worse than putting them in a glass vessel. That's my absolute feeling on it, and I apologize to these noodles for doing so. You will be transplanted to something more becoming in a moment after I taste you. Okay. Nice chewy noodle. Where's all this? I guess all those little granules just kind of decided to... Whoa, what are you? I see you. Are you granules or are you a thing? You appear to be a thing. Huh. A vegetable, please. That's tasty. I like that. Good Tantanmen. Yum yum. Enjoyable. For my face. Noodle and broth. Look at that. It's almost like it had peanut butter oil or something weird. Wow. Ah. Alright, enough of that. Let's just go right for the gut. The gut punch of a jumbo soft boiled egg. Now, the last batch of eggs I made came out abysmally. However, these, look at that. Yeah, baby. These should end up doing quite well. But scissors. Egg. chashu. Onion. You know, usually I put in mung bean sprouts too. But I think there we are. Yeah, I like that. Your bowl of noodles, prepared by me. So, that's it. There's a cup of noodles for you. That's what I did to it. So, if you like this show and everything, please click like, please subscribe, please join up. Join the posse up. Dig it. And yeah, and then here's lots more stuff. And go to the channel page and look at all the stuff there and just be enjoying things. So yeah. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Yeah. Have a good one. Bye.